Bangalore, officially known as Bengaluru, is the capital city of the Indian state of Karnataka and is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India due to its thriving tech industry. The city was founded in 1537 by a local chieftain named Kempgowda, who built a mud fort that laid the foundation for the modern city. Bangalore has a diverse population, with people from various linguistic, cultural, and religious backgrounds, making it one of the most cosmopolitan cities in India. The city is situated at an elevation of approximately 3,000 feet, about 900 meters, above sea level, making it one of the highest major cities in India. Bangalore is known for its moderate climate, with mild summers and cool winters, largely due to its elevation and abundant greenery. The city boasts numerous parks and gardens, including the famous Lalbagh Botanical Garden, which houses a vast collection of tropical and subtropical plants. Bangalore is home to the Indian Institute of Science, ISC, one of the premier research institutions in India, known for its contributions to science and technology. The city is also known for its vibrant startup ecosystem, which has made it a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship, attracting investors and talent from around the world. The Bangalore Palace, inspired by England's Windsor Castle, was built in the late 19th century and features Tudor-style architecture, beautiful gardens, and stunning interiors. Known as the Garden City of India, Bangalore has over 200 parks, including Cubbon Park, which covers an area of about 300 acres and is a popular spot for jogging and picnics. The city has a rich cultural heritage, with numerous temples, churches, and historical sites that reflect its diverse history. Bangalore's nightlife is vibrant, with a wide range of pubs, bars, and live music venues that cater to both locals and tourists. The city is a major center for aerospace and aviation, hosting several leading aerospace companies and research institutions. Bangalore is also known for its educational institutions, including the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NFT, and the Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, IMB. The city has a robust public transportation system, including the Nama Metro, which has expanded rapidly since its launch in 2011. Bangalore is famous for its traditional South Indian cuisine, with dishes like dosa, idli, and vada being popular among locals and visitors alike. The city hosts various cultural festivals throughout the year, such as Karaga, Ugadi, and the Bangalore Haba, showcasing its rich traditions and customs. Bangalore has a strong presence in the gaming industry, with many game development companies and gaming startups calling the city home. The city is surrounded by several scenic spots, including Nandi Hills, a popular weekend getaway known for its sunrise views and trekking trails. Bangalore's Lalbagh Botanical Garden features a stunning glass house, inspired by London's Crystal Palace, which hosts flower shows and exhibitions throughout the year. The city has a growing art scene, with numerous galleries, art festivals, and cultural events that promote local artists and their work. Bangalore has a high literacy rate compared to the national average, thanks to its numerous educational institutions and emphasis on learning. The city is a melting pot of languages, with Kannada being the official language, but English, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu also widely spoken. Bangalore is known for its IT parks, such as Electronic City and Manyata Tech Park, which house major tech companies, including Infosys and Wipro. The city has a rich history of music and dance, with classical forms like Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam being celebrated and performed regularly. Bangalore's Kempegowda International Airport is one of the busiest airports in India and serves as a major hub for domestic and international flights. The city is also known for its craft beer culture, with numerous microbreweries and pubs offering a wide variety of locally brewed beers. Bangalore has a significant expatriate community, with many foreigners working in the IT and business sectors, contributing to the city's cultural diversity. The city is home to several prestigious research institutions, including the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, and the National Aerospace Laboratories, NAL. The Bangalore traffic is notorious, with congestion being a daily challenge for commuters, prompting many residents to use alternative transportation methods. The city has produced several notable personalities in various fields, including technology, sports, arts, and literature, contributing to its cultural richness. Bangalore hosts numerous international conferences and tech summits, attracting industry leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators from around the globe. The city is known for its vibrant street food scene, with vendors offering a variety of delicious snacks, including chaat, pani puri, and more. Bangalore has a legacy of public art, with murals and installations adorning many buildings and public spaces, enhancing the city's aesthetic appeal. The city is a significant center for biotechnology and life sciences, hosting numerous biotech firms and research centers. Bangalore's local markets, such as KR Market and Commercial Street, offer a unique shopping experience, featuring traditional crafts, textiles, and spices. The city is home to the Bangalore International Film Festival, which showcases a diverse range of films from India and around the world. Bangalore is known for its numerous lakes, including Ulsor Lake and Sankey Tank, which offer recreational activities like boating and picnicking. The city has a vibrant theater scene, with numerous plays, performances, and festivals happening throughout the year. Bangalore's climate is conducive to year-round gardening, with many residents maintaining lush gardens in their homes and balconies. The city is a hub for research and development, with many global companies establishing R&D centers to leverage local talent. Bangalore is often called the pub capital of India due to its large number of pubs and nightlife options. The city has a rich film industry, known as Sandalwood, producing films in the Kannada language, with a dedicated fan base.